What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can fix this Power 1 Valorant right here. If this helps, make sure y'all like and subscribe. What you gotta do is go to settings. Then once you're in settings, you have to search up check for update. Once you do that, you have to click on this setting right here, advanced options. Scroll down, recovery. Y'all see that? Recovery. Click on that. Then you have to click on advanced startup. Restart now. Oh, you just have to wait a few minutes. Alright, once that happens, you're gonna come to this page right here. From here, you're gonna have to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, FL, restart. Once you restart, it should take you to this setting right here. From here, you're gonna have to click on BIOS. Once you're in BIOS, you have to click on secure boot. Click on that. Once you click on that, you have to click on, you see that over there it said disable. You have to go there and click on make it enable. And you have to reset your setup mode right here. From here, you have to click on reset setup mode. Click on that. Yes. Once you do that, your whole BIOS setting just restarts. You can easily go back to Valorant now. All you gotta do from now is just click on save and exit. Right here, click on save, exit setup. Yes. And now you just wait. So if you do the main settings, just log into your PC now and you're good. Alright, after I checked all that, now I'm gonna open my Valorant check and see if that works. I'm opening it right here. Play. And there you go. I just fixed my game, boys. There you go. Guys, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and if you guys hear, I'm saying this again, the secure boot, if it doesn't show up, there's a video to the link down below in the comment section. The BIOS, once you go there, the secure boot, if it doesn't come up, if you guys don't see the secure boot, if it doesn't come up, I left a different video linked down below in the description and in the comment section. Make sure y'all go check it out.